Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna share latest job openings for both freshers and experienced from Fortis. They are hiring for different positions like junior consultant for cardiology, attending and associate consultant for anesthesia, attending and associate consultant for ICU, duty doctors like MBBS freshers and experienced candidates both are eligible for wards and casualty, and radiology technician, cardiac technician for echo and TMT, physiotherapist, infection control nurse, and nursing educator, staff nurses, pharmacist and senior pharmacist, hostel warden, and telemarketing and customer care executives. So these are the job vacancies available. As you can see here, the qualifications and experience are mentioned respective to the job positions. So you please go through with that. So if you are interested to apply for any of the job position, you can drop your resume on this mail IDs, and also you can walk in at the given address, like it would be Bangalore from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. And if you have any queries, you can reach out to them with the given contact numbers.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.